Okay, so let's talk about choosing guardians for your kids. There are a lot of parents out there who have not named guardians for their kids because they really can't decide, and you might be one of them. But here's the thing, if you don't decide and something happens to you, the decision gets made by a judge, and you don't want that. So here's a few things that may help you decide. 1. Brainstorm. Who are all the possible people who might be able to do the job of raising your kids if you were in an accident? Think outside the box a little, and don't just limit yourself to family. Now set that list aside for a minute. Number 2, while you were making this list, did anyone come to mind who you would never want raising your kids? Okay, well, write that name or names in a separate column. 3rd, now brainstorm your values. What's important to you in raising your kids? Is it that they be raised in a certain religious tradition or in a certain community? Is it important that they be raised in a 2-parent family? What about other values, like education? Then prioritize your list and rank your top 3. 4th, now pull out the first list and try and match people to values. Bottom line, if you don't decide, a judge will. And you should work with a lawyer who's experienced in guiding families in making these decisions. There are common mistakes that I often see parents make when naming guardians, either when they've done it themselves or even when they've worked with a lawyer. If you do make one of these mistakes, your kids could end up in the hands of someone you wouldn't want.